How to fix Gemini not generating emails. If Gemini is not generating emails, first of all try going to the new chat. Click on the option for new chat. Now simply ask the Gemini to generate the emails now. Your problem should be fixed. If not, refresh the tab. Click on the refresh icon that you can see on the screen. Now the page will be reloaded. After you do that, you can ask Gemini to generate the image. Your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, make sure you're using the personal Google account while using the Gemini. After that, your problem will be fixed. If the image is still not generating, there might be some problem with the server itself. So in that case, what you have to do is wait for a while. After you do that, you can start generating the image. If not, you might have crossed the usage limit. Click on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Click on the option for usage limits. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your current usage over here. If you have used it 100%, it will not generate the images anymore. See when the time resets. After it is reset, you can simply go ahead and generate the image. Likewise, you might have also crossed the number of times that you can generate the image on Gemini. In that case too, you'll have to wait for a while. If you want to generate the unlimited images, what you have to do is simply click on the option for settings. Click on the option for view subscriptions. After that, you'll have to subscribe to the Pro version of Gemini. You can see various plans over here. Simply get any of these plans and you'll be able to get higher usage limits. You can also generate more number of images using the Gemini. So after you do all that, your problem should be fixed. Like this, you can fix Gemini not generating images. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.